Hi everyone, my name is Judy and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm gonna teach you the basic greetings in Cebuano. So I'm gonna teach you 6 basic greetings in our dialect, in Cebuano dialect, and that is, first is we have the good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and what else? Good day. The 6th one is kumusta ka or kumusta. Okay. Let's start with good morning. Good morning is maayong buntag. Okay? Maayong buntag. Maayo means good. Buntag is morning. Then we have good noon. Maayong udto. Maayong udto. Then good afternoon. Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon. Good evening. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. So in normal speed is maayong gabi. Maayong hapon, maayong buntag, maayong udto. So that's the normal speed. And then we have good day. We say maayong adlaw. Maayong adlaw. The normal speed is maayong adlaw. And then we have kumusta ka or kumusta. Kumusta is the informal way. You can also use that in talking to the adults. So kumusta or kumusta ka. So that's another way of saying hi, hello to your loved ones, to your friends, or to a stranger. Okay? So I hope you get those basic greetings in Cebuano. So impress your girlfriend by saying those basic greetings. So again, so let's have a game. I'm going to say the English terms and you're gonna be the one to say it in the Cebuano dialect. Alright, so first is good morning. You say good noon. You say good afternoon. Good evening. You say. And then we have how are you or hi. I hope you get that, guys. So I'll see you in the next episode, in the next video. See you. Bye bye.